Ready to begin your adventurous college life in Lincoln? The city awaits you with Portland Street LN5 student accommodation. Portland Street LN5 offers lavish shared apartments. The bedroom here welcomes you with a snugly double bed, a study desk, and plenty of storage with a large, sleek wardrobe for your essentials. The house boasts a spacious living area with a smart TV over which you can watch your favorite TV shows with your friends. An integrated kitchen including a stove, oven, fridge, a washer, and tumble dryer makes your day-to-day chores easier. A maintenance team, secure composite front and rear doors, and an inbuilt intruder alarm make sure to keep safe within the property. The University of Lincoln and Bishop Grosseteste University are just a short ride away from the property, and the location makes it even more interesting for the adventurer inside you, as places like Lincoln Guildhall, Arboretum Park, and delightful restaurants like the modern Tandoori restaurant, the Botanist Bar, and Restaurant Lincoln are all located very close to the property. Don't wait. Head over to theamberstudent.com and secure your dream home today.